back with another video. It's been a couple months since I've done a vlog, so I'm back. And for today, my son's coming out nursery after being off nursery for 2 weeks, but it hasn't been this bad this past 2 weeks. But for today, okay, come on. For today, I'm going to the supermarket to get some seasoning because I'm cooking today. This bump here in my face is out to get me. Yeah, so as I was saying, for today I'm gonna go to the supermarket, get some seasoning because I'm cooking tonight, and then me and him, we're gonna carve pumpkins. So that'll be a different video. I don't think I'll put it in this video. It'll be another video. I'm gonna go to the bank, basically just run a little bit of errands before I pick him up, and then when I pick him up, I'm gonna get back on the camera. I'll show you guys like how the day is going when I get him. So stay tuned, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment your thoughts on the video, stuff, give ideas of what you want to see. I'm all ears. This is the outfit we're working with today. Just some leggings, hoodie, this jean jacket, this like bag, and the shoes, some socks, because I'm lazy. I don't want to get dressed up. I don't have time to do all of that. Yeah, so this is what I've been wearing for the past 2 weeks. It's giving mom, very mommy outfit, you know. But I'm about to leave now. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Guys, it looks like it's about to rain.
Obviously, I do my son
Guys, I've been fighting in my life, but I made it in town. Okay guys, I'm like at my son's nursery. I was like fighting for my life with my phone storage. I was in the shop getting the stuff, showing you guys what I'm getting. And then as I was doing that, my storage went up, so I couldn't record anymore. But now I had to delete all my apps and basically all of my gallery for me to record. Look who I got. Say hi. I don't know how we will do this pumpkin video today, because he absolutely hates the camera. Are we gonna carve the pumpkins for Halloween?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna
build Halloween.
You're gonna build it?
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna build it.
A build Halloween duck.
Oh, you wanna build a truck? A Halloween truck?
A Halloween duck.
I heard you have a Halloween party on Wednesday. Mom didn't know because Mom don't read messages.
A party.
A party? Do you wanna dress up?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you want to dress up as?
A party.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the party. Guys, we have a party on Wednesday. I don't know what's supposed to dress up as.
Party.
He heard about party. He's excited. Did you have a good day at nursery?
No.
Why? It's your first day back. Why you not had a good day? That's for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Why you didn't have a good day today? You been a good boy?
No.
Why? Why you not being a good boy?
No.
You don't know?
Party.
He's going to the party. Yes, on Wednesday. So Mom have to find you an outfit.
Halloween party.
Halloween party, yeah. Update, guys, we're waiting for the train to pass. You gonna see the train?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna see the train. It's coming soon. And then we're gonna go home. So bye.
Bye.
Guys, the train is coming. You have to say hi. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Choo-choo.
Whoa. It's gone.
Why?
Because what you want to see? Look at my beautiful area. It looks so much nicer on camera.
Bucket.
Pumpkin. Okay, guys, this will be the video for today. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.